Hello everyone, it's Ed and Mai from our room in Thailand, and the markets right next door are closed tonight. So I guess we're just gonna have to eat some egg rolls. Some of Mai's famous home cooked egg rolls for dinner tonight.
Guess what we make in Thailand?
Yeah.
We went to the store yesterday and the Big C they call. So we was able to find the egg roll wrap. I was afraid they might not have it, but they have it. But this kitchen it's really tiny kitchen and they don't have much of, not much of anything in here. So I just working around. This is the knife I use to cut everything. But,
And we bought that knife.
yeah, we bought the knife. And then I don't have bowls, so I use one of them pan to mix all the stuff. But it worked. You just have to do what you need to do. So this is what I have for a tongue. It's really not much of anything, and the pan is so tiny. So I can only do like 4 or 5 at a time. And just use this little tongue to turn my egg roll. But it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, the first ones are almost done. Can't wait to eat them.
Yeah. So here are finished products. What do you think? Looks good, right? Let's try it. And I make the sauce too. I don't have any blender to do it, so I just use a chopping board. And here is cilantro, green onions, Thai chili pepper, lime, and fish sauce, and some salt in there. Yeah, let's try. I like my sauce to be spicy. If you want sweet, you can also get the sweet too, but I want spicy, so I make this spicy. It's good. Tastes like home. You have to do what you want to eat. And what a surprise! We cook in Thailand instead of eating out. We cook in Thailand.
All right, on this special edition of Mai Eats Thailand, I get to try it too. Oh my goodness, haven't had these for probably months. They smell delicious. I like the sauce spicy too. Oh, that looks so good. Shout out to Mark Wiens on that look. I get why he does that now. That is so good. Does taste like home.